Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn about one more material UI component is called portal. So how we can use portal and how it is different from previous two components, Popover and Popper, that we are going to learn. Similarly, we have a new component. Here we have this component and here we want to start our coding. So I say to start it, I have predefined snippets for this. So I have designed this. Then we have a MUI. I say portal example. Here I take button. So I say button here. Variant of this button is contained. Color of this button is secondary, and here I say show portal. Save this, and here I say on click equal to handle click. Here I just import button. I here create constant variable, it's called show or set show. Here I say use state. I put here false at the beginning. You see, now what I do, I have a handle click. So in handle click function, I need to set this state variable to true, or I can say not equal to show, like that. Now I need a portal component. For that I create here portal like that, and here I display information inside this. That may be anything. I say this is portal info. Okay, just portal and information, and this portal should be controlled by the property that is show button. If this is okay, then we should show this, otherwise I say null. Simple one, very simple. Now we go there, I click on this, you see show portal is open here, you see, but it is not like this. Suppose I have this button, and this button position is, I say mx30. If you see, button is here, so I click it and it is displaying in the corner of the screen. I want to display in some position where already fixed by me. For example, I want to say that I want to display this portal under this box. This box is here. Under this box I want to display, but this box information is like that. I say this box is having a border of 1 pixel, solid type, and color of this is red. Save this. Remember that if you see, this border is here, but I will give the width and height to this border. So I say the width of this is 100 and height of this should be 20. Save this, and you see that we have like this. Now I want it should be 200 width, and I say it should be from left side to 100 pixel this side. So I say border is 2 pixel, for example. Width we have, height we have, and I say it's 200 pixel. The size we are not able to shift toward the left side, so from top we should go to 20 pixel. I refresh it, so nothing is happening here. It should be margin from the X side to 300. Yeah, it will work. So I say that is 100, you see. So I say 550 margin. Now I say should be 30 like this, just near the button, and I say uh, margin from the top should be 2, you see, and I say this 30 should be 25, and you see that it is just coming after the button. And if I click on this, this text should be displayed inside this box that I want to do. For that I need to create a reference variable, so I say const refs equal to use ref like this, initially is null, and this box I say that ref of this is equal to refs, and this portal have a property container, and I say this container should connect with this box. Remember that now. If I click on this, okay, we have to provide ref.current, not this current object reference I need to pass. Now you see that if I click on this, it will display inside this. Now I can set alignment also to the center. So I say alignment, text alignment to the center, save this, and you see that if I click, it will display. If I click, it will hide, you see. So like that way we can use portal to display text where we want to display on a screen. Like this, I have this box. So within this box I want to display some information after some action or some property. So click here and this information will be visible here. So like that way we can create we can have a text here, or we may have any button or any other component within this. So that means if we use portal, then within a portal we can display any kind of information anywhere on a screen where we want. Just we have to decide where we want to put it. For that we can use a reference variable. With this reference variable we pass here the object of this container property will print this information within this reference. So that reference we have designed with the help of CSS property. So that's all in this video about portal. I think you understand it better now. If you do, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.